Hi guys, today I'll be doing something a little bit different. I'm going to be reading the book, The Birthday Test. Shameless plug, this is my daughter's book, but I'm also dedicating this video to my super handsome nephew, Seiji. So I'm really excited to be able to read this. Quick background story on this book. My daughter came up with the idea of this book because my late grandfather, Charles, he used to always ask, when you are turning the next age, how do you know that you can be 2? Or how do you know that you can be 12 if you've never done it? And he talked about what are the things that you need to accomplish or implement or believe or do to be able to step into that next age. And so I loved it so much when she came up with this idea. And so the two of us sat down to write it together, and I'm excited to read it to you guys, a little sample, and for my nephew today. So The Birthday Test by Cami and Nicolia Williams. Every night at bedtime, Cami and Mommy would read a bedtime story. Cami gave Mommy a long, tight squeeze before lying down in her bed. "Cami, it's time to close your eyes and rest your mind and go to sleep," Mommy said. "And I hope you will sleep in your bed all night long this time." But this night was special since Cami was having a birthday tomorrow. Little Cami was having a very hard time falling asleep. Cami was imagining all of the friends who were invited over and all of the presents she might receive. Cami had so many questions to ask. Which pretty dress will I wear? What type of cake will there be? Will we play games at my party? Mommy gave Cami one more hug and kiss and tucked Cami in her blanket. "Good night, baby. I love you," Mommy said, "but it's time for you to close your eyes. You have a big day tomorrow." Cami opened her eyes really wide and grinned and exclaimed, "Mommy, it's almost my birthday and I'm too excited to sleep." "Cami," Mommy insisted, "without a good night's sleep, you can't grow into the strong, healthy girl that you are destined to be. It is almost your birthday, but are you really sure that you're ready to be a 5-year-old? I don't know if the age master is convinced that you know how to be 5. "What in the world, Mommy?" Cami exclaimed and giggled. She then sat up in bed. "Who is the age master?" Mommy patiently explained. "The age master is in charge of birthdays. He sees when you are practicing all of the things 5-year-olds do. The age master is very wise and will decide if you are ready to turn 1 year older on your birthday." "What happens if the age master does not think I'm ready to turn older on my birthday?" Cami asked. Mommy paused. "The age master asks mommies and daddies about your choices and your behavior. If the age master notices that you are not quite ready, he'll decide that you might just have to stay the age you are." "Oh no," Cami exclaimed. "I don't want to be 4 forever." What do you think's going to happen with Cami? Cami thought for a moment and then asked, "But how can I show that I'm truly ready to turn 5 years old?" "Well, let's think about it and talk about it. Being 5 is a big job. What do you think 5-year-olds know how to do?" Cami thought very hard. What do 5-year-olds know how to do? "I've got it," Cami squealed. 5-year-olds sleep in their big girl beds. 5-year-olds practice writing with their letters and their numbers. And 5-year-olds listen very closely to their mommies and daddies. "Yep, you're correct, my love," Mommy kissed Cami's forehead. "To turn 5, you must practice doing all of those things that 5-year-olds do. But you gotta practice it starting now." Cami crossed her arms and frowned. "I do know my numbers and letters, but I'm just too excited to fall asleep," Cami insisted. "Oh no, Cami, if you don't get your rest, the age master will not let you turn 5. That's how your body grows strong and healthy," remarked Mommy. "You don't have much time before your birthday to show the age master that you're truly ready." Mommy reassured Cami. "Rest, my love. It's time to go to sleep so that you can be strong enough to turn 5. I know you can do it." "I am not going to stay 4, Cami exclaimed. "I know I can be a big girl. I know it." Cami snuggled up under her covers, closed her eyes, and fell fast asleep. That night, Cami dreamt she was in a faraway land. She was playing with her friends in a meadow covered with beautiful flowers. The petals were every color of the rainbow and smelled delightful. Cammy stopped to smell each and every blossom. Beyond the meadow, Cammy saw an old man. Cammy had never seen such a funny-looking old man. He had a grizzly beard and white curly hair. Look at him. Who do you think that is? Look at all of those numbers circling around his head. Uh-oh, I wonder what number he'll pick for Cammy. Hi, Cammy. I'm the Age Master, he said. I've been checking on you recently, and I must say how proud I am of how well you've practiced being 4 years old. Since your birthday is coming up very soon, I think there are some changes you should make to show that you're ready to be a big girl and to turn 5 years old. Cammy paused and asked, I really want to turn 5 years old. What do I have to do? Uh-oh, what does Cammy have to do? The Age Master explained all of the things Cammy could do in order to turn 5. Look at little Cammy and all the things she's thinking about. He told her how to be a good listener. He recommended that she eat all of her veggies. Look at all of those veggies and all the yummy food. He reminded her that she should sleep in her big girl bed instead of sneaking into her mommy's room during the night, making sure she's getting lots of rest. Such good ideas. Cammy sighed. I know how to do all of those things, but sometimes it doesn't always seem like so much fun. Like veggies are kind of nasty. The Age Master admitted, I know it doesn't always seem easy or fun, but it's still the right thing to do. When you become a big girl, you have to learn how to do big girl things. How do you think your sister got to be 9 years old? She has to learn to make good choices every year, even when she did not always like it, even when she didn't always know how. Now it's your turn. Don't you worry, Cammy. Each birthday, you will learn how to make the right choices and the smart choices and have lots of fun to enjoy it as well. It'll be worth it, promised the Age Master. Cammy considered this promise and exclaimed, I can hardly wait to have more fun and to grow older like my big sister. I promise to do all of the things that 5-year-olds do. Ooh-wee. So then we go on to the next morning. Shameless plug to grab your copy of the birthday test to see what happens the next morning on Cammy's birthday. And you can snag it using the information in the description box, or head over to Amazon and type in the birthday test and you'll see it. And little Sagey, I know that you love this story so much, and just know that TT loves you just the same. Mwah, mwah. Until next time. Bye, guys.